This is unit number 2, video number 6 on nomenclature type 1. So we're going to look at how we're going to name compounds and be able to take the name of a compound and produce the actual simple representation of the compound. Type 1 nomenclature involves fixed charge metals. It's going to be simple, straightforward, any metal that has a known fixed charge. Now I want to be aware, every metal has a neutral form. If we take copper, look at copper wire or copper coating or a penny or something like that, that copper, all those atoms are zero. They are neutral. They have the same number of protons as electrons. That's not what we're talking about here. We're talking about the blue copper you see in solution, or I could show you some blue copper compounds. Those compounds have copper in a non-zero form, either +1 or +2. Now we're not talking about copper here when we talk about fixed charge metals. We're talking about elements that have a known fixed charge when they're not in the metallic form. Those metals are going to be our alkaline metals, which are always +1, alkaline earth metals, which are always +2, scandium and yttrium's column is always +3. And then over here we have a little triangle going from silver to aluminum. Silver is always +1 in compounds, zinc and cadmium is always +2 in compounds, aluminum, gallium, and indium are always +3 in compounds. Compounds involving those elements are going to use type 1 nomenclature form. Now, so let's take something like aluminum and put it with chlorine. Aluminum in the non-metal form, in their non-metallic form, their charged form is going to be +3. Chlorine is going to be -1. We know the compound is AlCl3. That's an electrically neutral compound. Since aluminum in compounds is always +3, we just name the metal aluminum. Then we take the non-metal, drop the ending off, and put IE on, and we have aluminum chloride. So fixed charge metals are going to be metals that we know the charge of, and it's only one possible charge. Those compounds are going to be easy, straightforward. We're just going to name the metal, then we put IE on the end of the non-metal, and we have the compound.